Hey guys, I just want to go ahead and talk to you this morning about a concept referred to as daisy chain real estate investing. What is this? And so let me paint a picture for you all. I recently saw a video on YouTube of a gentleman who gave a great example of daisy chain real estate investing. Daisy chain is like pie in the sky. It's like big hope real estate investing, push button real estate investing. This is not real estate investing. This is almost retailing in a sense. You know, I think if people are going to do this aspect of real estate investing, think about getting your real estate license. So the concept revolves around a new wholesaler joining up with an experienced wholesaler or even a wholesaler / broker who is looking to sell their property. So give an example. I've been wearing this cross around my neck for a good part about 10 years, 12 years or something like that. So look at my chain and my cross. Okay. Look at the chain. Look at the links. Let's assume where my thumb is, that's Susie. Okay. So you got Susie. Then you got Sally. Then you got Mike. Then you got Edward. Then you got Joe. And then you got Frank. Okay. Frank has a agreement with Joe because Joe has a deal. Now Joe got that deal 5 links down or 5 links up. Joe got that deal from somebody who got that deal from somebody who got that deal from somebody. So once the deal gets to Frank, it's no longer a deal. Okay, wholesalers will go ahead and mark the price up. Oftentimes, by the time the deal gets all the way down to Frank, sometimes when you go ahead and you call the person that's 2, 3, 4 levels up, that property has already been sold, or the pricing has been changed, or somehow, some way that deal has not closed. If you're going to involve yourself in this type of real estate investing, what you need to do is this. You need to be able to talk to the person that you have the agreement with, the person that's one up above you, and ask them if you can contact the seller directly. If you cannot contact the seller directly or ask questions regarding if this is a true deal, it's a waste of time. Because you, Frank, the one that's at the bottom of the chain, let's assume you have a serious buyer. Your serious buyer is going to need to have contact directly with the seller in order to go ahead and close the deal, right? Either the seller or the wholesaler who actually has the deal. So Joe is the one that's above Frank. You find out that Joe really doesn't have the deal. He has an agreement with 5 other wholesalers that are above him. This is not real estate investing. This is pie in the sky. These are hopes. This type of investing is going to frustrate you more than put money in your pocket, because you're going to build up an email list of people and they're going to get upset with you because you can't close. Number one, when you do this type of investing, know exactly what a deal is. There was somebody that had reached out to me recently and had a large lot of land that they wanted a JV with to another investor. Cool. The lot was selling for 1.2 million. Okay. As I did the comps, I kept asking myself, why is this property not listed with a real estate agent? Because it's retail. It's a retail deal. And I didn't understand. After evaluating the deal, it was selling for like $18,000 an acre. Typically, when I get land, I'll buy it for between $100 and $300 an acre. Even if you went $1,000 an acre for this particular parcel, it's still a deal. But $18,000, and I just, from an investment perspective, or at least the way I invest in property, it's, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe that's why the property has been extended or on the market for so long. I don't know. But this type of investing is not really investing. You're not wholesaling. You're retailing. Make sure as a new wholesaler that you want to learn the business. You want to learn exactly what wholesaling is. In order to do that, go on YouTube, go on Google, type in what is wholesaling or what is wholesaling real estate. It's really getting a property at a discount, tying it up in a contract, and then assigning that wholesale contract to a cash investor. That is wholesaling. The daisy chain investing, where you have this long chain of people that you have to go through or deal with. No, it's not investing. Okay. Understand that you have to do some work. You can't just push a button and build a list. You can get lucky and make some money, I think, but at the end of the day, learn the business. One of the reasons I created the channel is so that I could be these videos were created, and I said in a couple of videos, these videos serve as a virtual mentor to you all as the public. I'm not sitting here trying to put anything else in your mind of when it comes to real estate investing. I'm telling you, take these videos and go ahead and learn and go make some money. It works extremely well if you work it. As many of you know, my hot button right now is land and land investing. Love land. It makes a lot of sense for a lot of different reasons. It's interesting because I get a lot of questions from a lot of people who want to JV with me. It's not a problem. But just make sure that if you want to JV, in other words, joint venture, make sure as you're doing your deal, make sure that you know how to evaluate your deal. If you don't, contact me, or better yet, join my Facebook group. And in there, I'm showing people step by step how to evaluate deals. But I'm doing it one day at a time. Hey, look at this. Hey, look at that. This is what you do. Sooner or later, I'm going to put some videos out talking about, well, actually, you know what? Since I have over 150 videos, if you scroll through them, you can learn all about investing. It's, I think the thing that's frustrating me right now is coming across so many people who are doing this daisy chain investing. No, learn it for yourself. Learn it for your family. Because at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, you want to be able to bless them. Okay? This is Gerald. Y'all have a good day.